Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Jeff in Kentucky on this sweet little Galaxie DX95T. Don't see many of these come through here very often, bud, but I'm glad I was able to get this one fixed up for you. Let's go ahead and show you what we got here. Going to start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Got it set at 5 watts. That's in case you decide to run like a 6 or 8 pill or something. You got full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. There's 40. Now I should have known better. We've seen that right there. It's going to peg that out hard. So let's get the 100 watt slug in here. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low to 60 bird average. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello, 190 PEP. Alright Jeff, it's ready for you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. There's not a whole lot of these floating around anymore, so it's a good one to hang on to. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.